Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to take GABA for height growth. First, understand that GABA is a natural compound in your brain, a neurotransmitter. Some research suggests it might play a role in stimulating human growth hormone, or HGH, which is vital for growth. However, always speak with a doctor before adding any new supplement to your routine to ensure it's right for you. When considering GABA, dosage and timing are key. Many sources suggest a daily intake between 500 milligrams and 3,000 milligrams. It's often recommended to take GABA about 30 to 60 minutes before you go to sleep. This timing aims to coincide with your body's natural release of human growth hormone during deep sleep cycles. Always begin with a smaller dose to see how your body reacts. Beyond supplements, lifestyle choices significantly impact growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night, as this is when your body naturally produces the most human growth hormone. Regular physical activity, including exercises that strengthen your bones and muscles, is also beneficial. Furthermore, a nutritious diet packed with essential proteins, vitamins, and minerals provides the building blocks for healthy development. It's crucial to be aware of potential side effects when taking GABA, which might include drowsiness, an upset stomach, or a tingling feeling. Remember, while GABA may support HGH, it's not a magic bullet for height growth, especially if your growth plates have already fused. For more information and other great deals, check the description below this video. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks, so consider Darn Tough with their lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.